This video is going to be a demonstration of how the CNC machine will be cutting G-code project number 3, which is the card holder. In here I have a 2x4 of redwood material, clear heart redwood, which gives it that nice color. I have my 1/4" bit loaded. I've already set my Z depth, in addition to my X and Y axes as well. So the computer knows that this point, this corner, is my 0, 0, and the top of my part is Z0. Now, generally, anytime I'm cutting, I'm going to have my vacuum apparatus attached to not make a big mess. But right now, I want to show you guys what the tool path is going to look like for this project. So I'm going to leave it off and just have a big mess to clean up. So I'm going to turn on my spindle and let this thing run and pay close attention to the movements of the machine, and you'll get a better idea of the ramping that I've been talking about, where we're going to start on one side and our Z is going to increase as we go over and create that ramp effect. Other than that, just kind of watch and see what it's going to look like when you get ready to cut your project. Alright guys, that was the completed project. Now the spindle is running down. I'm going to go ahead and remove the part and give you guys a look at what it'll look like. Alright, let's unclamp my fixture here. Just move this out. So the two tabs that you can see here held it just long enough, and then they break away pretty easy. And this is, and here's your finished part. So it's got nice rounded edges. It's got the pocket done really nice pocket in there. The only thing it needs is a little finish sand, and then it'll be good to go. This is the card holder. And the last thing that we would do is just measure to see that we hit the dimensions that we were looking for. but I can already tell that this thickness, this wall thickness, looks like it's going to be dead on about a 1/4 inch or 250 thousandths. So I'm pretty confident this is good. Just give it a clean up and done.